So, to the sky.
That's right. In May, the planets will be coming up earlier and earlier, so you don't have to wait till dawn to look at the other bright planets. Mars will get lower in the sky, be closer to the horizon. In the early evening, Jupiter just appears not too long after sunset. But then the other ones are higher towards dawn, so that'll be the best time to see Saturn, for instance. The other big thing going on in May is towards the beginning of the month, on the mornings of the 5th, 6th, and 7th, is the Eta Aquaria meteor shower. This is the one made by Halley's Comet. It's better from the southern hemisphere than the northern, but it is one that for about 2 hours before dawn produces, maybe one meteor every 10 minutes or so. It's, if you know the constellation Aquarius, it's near the so-called water jar, although some people think it looks like a Mercedes symbol or a peace sign or something like that, and kind of dim stars, but the meteors are very quick because we're running into the orbit of Halley's Comet at that time. Don't worry, the comet won't be near us till 2061. So. Okay.